Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making marinated eggplant. In Japanese, Eggplant-Age-bitashi. This is a very popular summer dish. Age-bitashi means deep fried and marinated. This cooking method is standard in Japanese cuisine. We are losing appetite in summer, but the deep fried marinated eggplant is so tasty and high in calories and good source of energy. Let's get started a quick and easy summer recipes. Wash eggplant and pat dry. Cut in 3 lengthwise. Then cut in half horizontally. Score the surface diagonally to make it cook faster. Cut Shishito pepper in half and remove the seeds out. Heat your oil for frying in a frying pan. When it reaches about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, deep fry Shishito pepper for a minute or two or until the color turns bright green. Take out onto a mesh strainer set on the bowl. Add in eggplant and cook until slightly browning around the edges. Take out into a strainer along with Shishito pepper. Pour a generous amount of boiling water over Shishito pepper and eggplant to remove excess oil, and drain. This step also makes the ingredients soften and absorbs dashi well. While draining, mix ginger and Mentsuyu well. Transfer the vegetables in a deep dish. Pour over the sauce and marinate for at least 2 hours. If you want to make it faster, place a piece of plastic directly on top. Turn it over after 30 minutes. Leave it another 30 minutes and it's good to go. You can serve it warm or chill. I would like to garnish with summer aromatics. These are sliced Myoga ginger. It's like young and fresh ginger. It has refreshing aroma. And these are Shiso leaves, as known as Japanese basil, as you might already know. Or you can serve with chopped scallion and 7 herbs chili pepper. The eggplant absorbs all the umami from Mentsuyu. The texture is so soft and all the goodness flows out in your mouth when you chew. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. Go to my website for detailed information. And I want you to follow me on social media to share information other than the recipes. If you want to know what I am using in my video, go check my Amazon store. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again, and I'll see you in a week. Bye!